Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy Passion. Let's see how to make kashayam or herbal drink. Take 3 glasses of water. Let it boil. A small spoon of nelavembu powder. If you don't have, you can also add tulasi, basil or betel leaf. A small spoon of pepper powder. Small piece of cinnamon stick. 2 cloves. A small spoon of ajwain seeds. Cumin seeds. Dry ginger powder. You can also add fresh ginger pieces. Spoon nutmeg powder. A small spoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Let it boil in low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame, cover it and let it cool completely. Only then the essence will enter the water. After 10 minutes, filter the water, add 1 spoon of honey and have it. If you don't have all the herbs, don't worry, just use what you have and increase the quantity of the herbs and follow the same procedure. Try this and let me know your feedback. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day from Healthy Passion.